উফ, এক এক করে জয়েন হচ্ছে কেন? একসাথে জয়েন হতে পারে না সব? 15 মিনিট জয়েন হচ্ছে।
অনেকদিন জয়েন আছে, চেষ্টা করতে স্যার জয়েনটা করে নিন একবার।
আরে পর পর এক এক করে সব জয়েন হচ্ছে, অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, আমার লিখতেও পারছে না। তো থ্রি এক্স স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2xy প্লাস 3y স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 16x প্লাস 20 ইকুয়ালস টু 0। এটা কিসের ইকুয়েশন বলো? কেউ বলতে পারবে কিছু? Any idea? This equation represents which curve? Circle, parabola, ellipse?
স্যার সার্কেল মনে হচ্ছে।
মনে হচ্ছে বলে কিছু হবে না, আমি তোমাদের প্রসেসটা দেখাই। হ্যাঁ, ফার্স্ট you have to check D. What is D here? First, here A is 3, B is 3, H is on, G is minus 8, F is 0, and C is 20. D equals to AB minus H square. AB 9 minus 1 equals to 8, which is non-zero. So it is a central conic. So it may be circle, ellipse, hyperbola, or a a pair of intersecting straight line. Now we have to find out the center. Let the center of the conic be at HK. No, they had already H present. Let the center of the conic be alpha beta. Okay. So we transfer the origin to this point alpha beta. We transfer the origin to this point alpha beta. Then the first degree term. Then the first degree term of the equation we will remove. If we transfer the origin to this point alpha beta, since the center of the conic is alpha beta, if we transfer the origin to this point, then the first degree term of the conic will be removed. Transferring the origin to the point alpha beta without changing the direction of the axis, without changing the direction of the axis, the equation becomes with x dash y dash, with x dash y dash as new coordinates, If we transfer the origin to this point alpha beta, then the formula will be x equals to x dash plus alpha and y equals to y dash plus beta. These are the transformation formula. Then the equation 1 becomes in this form. Three x dash plus alpha square plus 2 x dash plus alpha y dash plus beta, okay, plus 3 y dash plus beta square minus 16 x dash plus alpha plus 20 equals to 0. আচ্ছা, সব একদম এক্সপ্রেশন লেখার দরকার নেই, আমি বেছে বেছে লিখবো। অনেক শর্টকাট আছে। কেমন শর্টকাট দেখো, ফার্স্ট সেকেন্ড ডিগ্রি টার্ম নেবো। সেকেন্ড ডিগ্রি টার্ম এখান থেকে আসবে। এই আমাদের যে ফার্স্ট ইকুয়েশন, ফার্স্ট ইকুয়েশন here 3x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. See this, here 3x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So in the new equation, the second degree term will be like same. This will be 3x dash square plus 2x dash y dash plus 3y dash square. Is it clear? In the new equation, the second degree term will be same. Just 3x dash square plus 2x dash y dash plus 3y dash square. The coefficient will not be changed. Only the x variance, xy variance will be changed. So the new equation, this will be 3x dash square plus 2x dash y dash plus 3y dash square. Is it clear? You don't have to write all this term expertly. Just if since there is 3x square, since there is the term, since there is 3x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, so in the new equation it will be 3x dash square plus 2x dash y dash plus 3y dash y dash square. Now the first degree term, you have to calculate this, the first degree term from here. The coefficient of x dash, from here, the coefficient of x dash will be 6 alpha. The coefficient of x dash will be 6 alpha. Okay, and from here, the coefficient of x dash, since this, if we multiply this x dash by beta, then only x dash will appear. Then the coefficient will be 2 beta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now from this term, there is no x dash term. From here, minus 16. So these are the only first degree term for x dash. For y dash, there are no y dash term. From here, if we multiply alpha by y dash, then it will be 2 alpha. And from here, it will be 6 beta. And no other y dash term, so into y dash. And now the constant term. It is very easy. The constant term will be, see this. Here 3x square. So in this equation, it will be 3 alpha square. Now here 2xy. Here 2xy. So the constant term will be here plus 2 alpha beta. That means alpha instead of x and beta instead of y in the previous equation. All the terms will be the constant term. That means 3 alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus 3 beta square minus 16 alpha, see here, minus 16 alpha plus 20. So minus 16 alpha plus 20 equals to 0. And also it is clear from here, see this, 3 alpha square, 2 alpha beta. This is the constant term. 3 beta square, here 3 beta square, minus 16 alpha plus 20. Okay. Now we want to remove the first degree term. Since we move the origin to the center, so we actually want to remove the first degree term. The origin being at the center, coefficient of x dash and y dash should separately 0. That is 6 alpha plus 2 beta minus 16 equals to 0 and 2 alpha plus 6 beta equals to 0. Now solve this. Solve this pair of equation. quickly. Solve this pair of equation. Also, this is equals to 3 alpha plus beta equals to 16. 3 alpha plus beta equals to 16, and it is alpha plus 3 beta equals to 0. Solve this equation. What are the values of alpha and beta? Quickly. Oh, sorry. What are the values of alpha and beta?
Alpha is equal to 8 and beta is equal to -8.
No.
-1.
Sorry, it is 8. It is 8. Here 16, so it will be 8. Alpha equals to
Alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to -4.
check, please again check. See this here for this equation, this is very alpha equals to minus 3 beta. Yes, 3 minus 1. And just put alpha instead put minus 3 beta instead of alpha, then minus 9 beta plus beta. 8 minus 8 beta equals to 8, so beta equals to -1.
Yes, sir, my fault.
Yes. So alpha equals to 3, beta equals to -1. So the center of the conic is 3 minus 1. The center of the conic is at 3 minus 1. Thus, the equation on with origin at 3 minus 1 becomes see here. So it will be 3x dash square. Since we just we put the values of alpha and beta, so it will be unchanged 3x dash square plus 2x dash y dash plus 3 y dash square. Now that this term will be 0 because we have the coefficient should be 0. So the first degree term will be 0. So this term will be removed. Now just put the values of alpha and beta here. Put the values of alpha and beta. 3 alpha square plus 2 alpha beta. 3 alpha square means 27. 27. 2 alpha beta. 2 alpha beta means minus 6. 3 beta square. That means 3. Sorry. 27 minus 6 plus 3 minus 16 alpha. 16 alpha means minus 48 plus 20 equals to 0. That means 3x dash square plus 2x dash y dash plus 3y dash square 27, 20, 50, 53, 27, 30, equals to 4. Now we have to remove this term. If we remove this term, then we can clearly say what is the equation, what is the curve. This is 2a. So now we have to remove this term, and for remove this term, we rotate the axis through an angle theta. To remove the x dash y dash term,
স্যার ওই ফোরটা -4 হবে না?
আমি সাইড চেঞ্জ করে নিয়েছি, দেখো।
ও
We rotate the axis through an angle theta due to this rotation. The equation reduces to the equation 2 reduces to with in the bracket with new coordinates xy, capital XY. That means x dash equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y dash equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta. These are the transformation formulae. Okay. For this problem, so the equation reduces to 3x cos theta minus y sin theta square plus 2 into x cos theta minus y sin theta x sin theta plus y cos theta plus x sin theta plus y cos theta square equals to 4. And again, just remove the coefficient of x square, xy and y square. Just write the coefficient of x square, xy and y square. Now the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square. See this. Yeah, I am writing this. And it will be very easy. Coefficient of x square. From here, 3 cos square theta. Clear? From here 3 cos square theta, and from this term, this is x, this is x. Sorry. This is here, this is x and this is x. So coefficient of x square will be 2 sin theta cos theta. Now I think. So the first term 3 cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, and from this this is 3 sin square here 3 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta into x square. Now coefficient of capital XY. coefficient of xy. From here, 2 sin theta cos theta into 3, that is minus 6 sin theta cos theta. Minus 6 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Now from the middle term, here is cos theta and this is sin theta. No, sorry. We will find the xy. Here is x and this is y. So 2 cos square theta. This will be 2 cos square theta. And from here to minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. And from the last term, it will be the coefficient of xy. Coefficient of xy is 6 sin theta cos theta. 6 sin theta cos theta into xy plus the coefficient of y square. Now I am writing this 3 sin square theta 3 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 3 cos square theta into y square equals to 4. That means now this 3 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta. So it will be 3 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that means sin 2 theta. 3 plus sin 2 theta into x square. 3 plus sin 2 theta into x square. Now here minus 6 sin theta cos theta plus 6 sin theta cos theta. 0. So and here 2 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. If we take common 2, then 2 into cos square theta minus sin square theta. That means 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta. Okay. 2 cos 2 theta into xy. And it will be 3 sin square, 3 cos square. That means 3 minus sin 2 theta into y square equals to 4. For the removal of xy, for the removal of xy, we require that cos 2 theta equals to 0. Cos 2 theta equals to 0 means 2 theta equals to which angle? Cos 2 theta equals to 0 means 2 theta equals to cos 0 is cos 90 degree. That means 5 by 2. So theta equals to 5 by 4. So we have to rotate the axis through an angle pi by 4. Then the equation 4 becomes, therefore equation 3 becomes sin 2 theta. Here 2 theta is pi by 2. So the sin pi by 2 is 1. So 3 plus 1, that means 4x square. 4x square. Okay. Now this time is 0. The middle term is 0. And here 3 minus 1. That means 2y square. 2y square equals to 4. So x square by 1 plus y square by 2 equals to 1. Which equation? Which curve? X square by 1 plus y square by 2 equals to 1. Which curve?
Sir, ellipse.
Yes, this is ellipse. This is an ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So this is the required reduced canonical form. This is the required canonical form. This represents an ellipse. This represents an ellipse. All the problems are same if the conic is a central conic. If the conic is a central conic. Now for non-central conic, yes. Determine the nature of the conic. 4x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 5 equals to 0. Okay. So here a equals to 4, b equals to 1, h equals to 2, g equals to minus 6, f equals to minus 3 and c equals to 0. First delta d. Here d is ab minus h square. Where ab is 4 minus 2 square which is 0. Okay. So it is a non-central conic. Non-central conic, it may be either pair of a straight line or parabola. And for this case, you don't need to transfer the origin at some point. So, we just rotate the axis through an angle theta. We just rotate the axis through an angle theta. Rotating the axis through an angle theta, the given equation becomes, here with new coordinate, with new coordinate xy. That means here x equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y equals to capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. The new equation becomes 4 x cos theta minus y sin theta x square s whole square plus 4 x cos theta minus y sin theta x sin theta plus y cos theta plus y square. Here y square is x sin theta plus y cos theta square minus 12x x cos theta minus y sin theta minus 6y x sin theta plus y cos theta plus 5 equals to 0. And similarly, write the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. First, write the coefficient of x square. From here, the coefficient of x square, 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta. Okay. And from this, coefficient of x square, here is on x and here is on x. So, the coefficient will be 4 cos theta sin theta. That means 4 sin theta cos theta. And from the third term, coefficient of x square, that means sin square theta into x square. Now coefficient of xy, coefficient of xy. From the first term, it will be minus here xy, that means 8 sin theta cos theta minus 8 sin theta cos theta. From the second term, xy, I remember it, x, here is x and here is y, here x and y, that means 4 cos square theta and here minus 4 sin square theta. Here xy and also here y and x, so minus 4 sin square theta, and here xy means sin 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta into xy. Now coefficient of y square, coefficient of y square. So it will be 4 sin square theta minus 4 sin theta cos theta y square minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now coefficient of x. In the previous problem, there are no x and y terms because we shift the origin to the center. But in this case, x and y term will appear. Coefficient of x into y square. Coefficient of x from here and here, from these two terms. Coefficient of x from this and this. So minus 12 cos theta and here minus 6 sin theta, minus 6 sin theta into x, and coefficient of y is coefficient of y here minus plus 12 sin theta, 12 sin theta, and from here coefficient of y, that means minus 6 cos theta into y plus 5 equals to 0. Okay. Now to remove the xy term, to remove the xy term, we have coefficient of xy, that means minus 8 sin theta cos theta, minus 8 sin theta cos theta plus 4 cos theta minus 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 0. It is minus 8 plus 2, that means minus 6 sin theta cos theta, and 4 cos theta minus 4 sin square theta, that means 4 cos 2 theta equals to 0. Here minus 6 sin theta cos theta means minus 3 sin theta sin 2 theta, minus 3 sin 2 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta equals to 0. Minus 3 sin 2 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta equals to 0. That means tan 2 theta equals to tan 2 theta equals to tan 2 theta equals to 4 by 3. Tan 2 theta equals to 4 by 3. Or we don't need the value of tan 2 theta, because here the value is 4 by 3. Just write here sin 2 theta by sin 3 sin 2 theta equals to 4 cos 2 theta. 3 sin 2 theta equals to 4 cos 2 theta. Okay. That means sin 2 theta by 4. Okay. Equals to cos 2 theta by 3. Sin 2 theta by 4. This is a new process, because here tan 2 theta is 4 by 3. So from that to theta, it is difficult to find the theta. So for now from this sin 2 theta by 4 equals to cos 2 theta by 3. This is equals to, we can write sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta divided by root over of 4 square plus 3 square. And this is equals to 1, this is equals to 5. So we have sin 2 theta by 4 equals to cos 2 theta by 3 equals to 1 by 5. That means sin 2 theta equals to 4 by 5 and cos 2 theta equals to 3 by 5. So sin 2 theta equals to 4 by 5 and cos 2 theta equals to 3 by 5. Okay. Now cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is equals to 3 by 5. That means 2 cos square theta equals to 3 by 5 plus 1. That means 8 by 5. 2 cos square theta equals to 8 by 5. So cos square theta equals to 4 by 5. That means cos theta equals to 2 by root 5. And since cos theta equals to 2 by root 5, so we have sin theta equals to root over of 1 minus cos square theta. That means root over of 1 minus cos square theta means 4 by 5. So root over of 1 by root 5. So these are the values of sin theta, cos theta, and sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. with these values, the equation 2 reduces to, here this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. This is equation 2. Just put the values. See the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Here 4 cos square theta and cos square theta is 4 by 5. Just put the values. Okay. So it will be, I am writing this here. Okay. 4 into cos square theta. Cos square theta is 4 by 5. That means 16. 16 by 5 plus 4 sin theta cos theta. 4 sin theta cos theta. 4 into sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is 1 by root 5. And this is 2 by root 5. Plus sin square theta. Sin square theta is 1 by root 5 into x square. The coefficient of xy will be 0. Now coefficient of y square. 4 sin square theta. 4 sin square theta means 4 into 1 by 5. 4 by 5. Okay. Minus 4 sin theta cos theta. That means minus 4 into sin theta. 1 by root 5. 2 by root 5. Plus cos square theta. Cos square theta means 4 by 5 into y square. Okay. Now coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. This is minus 12 cos theta. Minus 12 cos theta. That is minus 12 into 1 by 2 by root 5. And minus 6 sin theta. That means minus 6 into 1 by root 5 into x plus 12 sin theta. 12 into 1 by root 5 minus 6 into 2 by root 5. Minus 6 into cos theta means 2 by root 5 plus 5 equals to 0 into y. Of course. Plus 5 equals to 0. So here this will be 1 by 5 sin square theta. Here was sin square theta, that's 1 by 5. So 16 here for 8, 16, 8, 24 and 1. 25 by 5. 25 by 5 into x square. Here 4 minus 8 plus 4. That means 0. Yes, is it 0? 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 8 by 5. It is 0. The coefficient of y square is 0. Now, coefficient of x. Minus 24 minus 6 minus 30 by root 5 into x. And this is 0 plus 5 equals to 0. So, 5x square minus 30 by root 5 into x plus 5 equals to 0. That means 5x square, if we discriminate the root, that means if we multiply by root 5, so it will be 6 root 5. 6 root 5x plus 5 equals to 0. 6 root 5, yes, it is 6 root 5. That means x square minus 6 by 5 into minus 6 by root 5 into x plus 1 equals to 0. X square minus 6 by root 5 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So x square minus 6 by root 5. 6 by root 5 means we can write here 3 by root 5 into 2 by no x square minus this is second degree equation. This is a second degree equation. So we can either factorize it or by Caesar formula. Just apply Caesar formula. So here x equals to the equation was x square minus 6 by root 5. X square minus 6 by root 5 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to minus b. Minus b means 6 by root 5 plus minus root over b square. B square means here 36 by 5 minus 4 AC. That means 4 divided by 2a. 2a means 2 into 1. So 6 by root 5 plus minus 36 minus 4. That means 20. That means 16. Root over 16 by 5 by 2. So 6 by root 5 plus minus 4 by root 5 by 2. So x equals to this. That means we can write x equals to 6 by 6 plus 4. 10 by root 5 by 2 and x equals to 6 minus 4. 2 by root 5 by 2. If we take the plus, then it will be 10 by root 5 by 2. And if we take the minus, then it will be 2 by root 5 by 2. That means this is on. So 5 by root 5. X equals to root 5. So it will be x equals to root 5. And here this is 1. So here x equals to 1 by root 5. Which equation? X equals to root 5 represents which equation? X equals to some constant. Which equation x equals to root 5 represent? Which curve? It represents a straight line because just the equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis is x equals to a. The equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis is x equals to a, and the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis is y equals to b. So here x equals to root 5. So this represents a straight line and also this represents a straight line. That means the original curve represents a pair of straight line. Therefore, the given